See, my parents were in government department. So I'm from UP. So I was moving from one city to another city every 2 years. And that was an enriching experience because I could see that forget about India, even a small state like UP has so much of cultural diversity. So we need to understand people. People have different culture, people have different language, people have different traditions. So one has to understand people and one has to have keen interest in people. And when I got interested in design, I realized that design is more about people than about technical design. Yeah. Hi, my name is Dr. Anup Singh. I am Director General of Nirma University, where we have a department of design, which is a young and vibrant department. Well, basically, I am a student of psychology. So I am interested in human behavior, and I realized that humans design things from the very beginning. So the shape and size of design may be different, but we are always in the process of designing. And when I came to Nirma University, then I found that we don't have a focus on design. So immediately we decided that we should focus on architecture and design, and eventually we have a department of design and a department of architecture. The only purpose of the academia is that we create better students, robust students, mature students and competent students. Now as we are progressing in the 21st century, this awareness is increasing, right? And this is good for students and good for academia. Now design education, though it came long back in India, but now its importance is being recognized. And I would not be wrong to say that a small country like Thailand has more designers than India. So somehow, we have missed the bus, and it is right time that we create good designers. But at the same time, at Nirma University, we feel that designers cannot be in isolation. Designers have to work with architects, they have to work with engineers, they have to work with management graduates, communication students, and that's where Nirma University would have an edge, because we have got all these disciplines and we have got different kind of labs. So our design students would not be just working in their design labs, but they would also be working in engineering labs. They would also be working on languages which are relevant to design, and they would also be knowing that what are the laws related to design. Reality is complex, and problem solving requires that we use knowledge and techniques from different disciplines, and this is where multidisciplinary and transdisciplinary work is becoming more and more popular. And countries like the US, the UK and Australia, they have edge over us because they have got such programs. Now it is important for us that our students go to different disciplines and learn basic knowledge of those disciplines, and also when they are doing their projects, then they work with each other, and we are moving in that direction. And when we started the Department of Design, there were two purposes. One was to impart quality design education. Another one was to help our other students to learn from design. Today, education is not just multidisciplinary, it is also international. because different innovations are taking places in different parts of the world. So it is very important that students learn from the best and they go to different countries. So in Nirma University, we focus a lot on internationalism. We bring in international faculty, and we also bring in international experts to interact with our students. We also make efforts that our students go to these countries, and then they also learn from those experts in their own countries. So it is a priority for us. Well, I believe that never give up. We all have different capabilities, skills, and interest. So sometimes the things that we have, they may not match with the things which are around us. But that does not mean that we are not important. So we need to continuously strive, and there comes a time when there is a perfect match between your capabilities and interest and what is required out there. So once they match, you achieve success. Hi, I am Dr. Anup Singh. This is the India Design Project, #Indian Design Family.